Третий класс, английский язык. Домашнее задание. Мой дом. Страница 94-95. English. Spotlight 3. Homework. My house. Page number 94-95. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. It's terrible. Don't be silly. It's terrible. Don't be silly. I am afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. My dear friends, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 94, 94. My house. Exercise number 1. Listen, point, and repeat. Repeat after me. Cupboard, fridge, mirror, sofa, cooker, glass. Послушайте, отметьте и повторите. Cupboard, fridge, cooker, glass, mirror, sofa. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Put these things in the picture. Now talk with your friends. Where's your lamp? It's under the sofa. Where's your lamp? It's in the bath. Представьте, где могут находиться предметы, изображенные на картинках: лампа, радио, книга. Задайте вопросы и ответьте на них. Where's your lamp? It's under the sofa. Where's your lamp? It's in the bath. Where's your radio? It's under the table. Where's your radio? It's in the bath. Where's your book? It's in the cupboard. Where's your book? It's in the fridge. And now read the rules. Plural nouns. Glass, glasses. Box, boxes. Dish, dishes. Baby, babies. Shelf, shelves. And now we must do exercise number 3. Read and choose. Прочитайте и выберите. This is Mary's baby. Where are the glasses? Whose is this box? Bring me 2 dishes. I've got 2 shelves. My dear friends, open your books, please. Page number 95. 95. Оборот. There is, there are. There is a glass on the table. There are 2 glasses in the cupboard. Оборот. There is – единственное число. There are – множественное число. употребляется, когда мы хотим сказать о наличии какого-нибудь лица или предмета в данном месте. For example, there is a glass on the table. There are 2 glasses on the table. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 4. Complete the sentences. Дополните предложение. There is a glass on the table. There are 2 sandwiches in the lunchbox. There are 2 shelves in the bedroom. There are 3 boxes over there. There are 4 dishes in the cupboard. There is a mirror next to the sofa. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 5. Look, read and complete. Посмотрите, прочитайте и дополните. There is our house. It is a big house. There's a living room, a kitchen, 2 bathrooms, and 4 bedrooms. Look, there's a pink bath in the bathroom. Our living room is yellow, and there are 2 big mirrors in it. Look at all the flowers in our garden. Our house is very nice. Boys and girls, we do exercise number 6. Write about your house flat. Напиши о своем доме, квартире. The answer. I live in the flat. It is not big and not small. My flat is comfortable. It is on the 3rd floor. I like it very much, and my family is happy here. There are 2 rooms in my flat, a living room, a bedroom, and a kitchen. My bedroom is my favorite. It is rather big and light. There are 2 windows in this room. There is a bed with a beautiful bedside table near the wall. There is a desk and a chair in front of the windows. We can also see 2 brown armchairs in my bedroom. Above the desk, there are several bookshelves. There is not a lot of furniture there because I like having a lot of space. Boys and girls, do exercise number 7. Let's play. Поиграем. In my house, there are 4. They are brown. They are in the kitchen. Cupboards. Yes. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.